Okay, as Amazon influencers, like if you're like me, you've been sleeping on shoppable photos and not posting any photos, just worrying about shoppable videos and maybe going live. But apparently, it's something we should be doing, and I jumped in and I started doing it, and figured I was going to make an instructional video for anybody that was going to have help me to upload my backlog of content that I want to make into shoppable photos. And I started using Logi, my Logi, which is a great app, a great extension to use. If you don't have it, get Logi. How simple it is and how easy it was to post to multiple platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, in a matter of a couple minutes. Okay, so jump on in with me and check this out. It's only going to take a couple minutes, and you're going to be amazed at how fast and how easy it is to catch up with your backlog of content and make them into shoppable photos. Okay, here I am in Logi, and I have a backlog of content that I've been making shoppable videos for, right, for the longest time. So what you're going to do is you want to make them into, you want to upload all your content and make shoppable photos. So you come up to create up here, right? New content, product post, next. Okay, now I've done these. We're going to do the Mub View indoor security camera. This thing is crazy. It's on sale for like $20 right now. So you're going to check that, go to here. Generate a title, just like you know how to do. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Logi is great. Keep an eye on your baby. Mobile security camera, peace of mind when you're away from home. Stay connected with your baby. This is also a pet camera too. Perfect way to stay in connection with your loved ones. I'll check that one. Then you can generate a description, right? And if you don't like it, you can redo it. Let's try it again. We pick that, right? And we go to next. And of course, you're going to pick a date and time. We always go right then and there. We always go live right away, okay, because we're going to post it right away. Then we're going to generate a thumbnail. This Logi is just incredible. We're going to go to one-to-one because we're doing shoppable posts. Now, I like to get a thumbnail where it's got the circle where you got the picture, so it shows something like this one here. So we check this one. So the product is going to be in here, and the words are going to be there. All right. And okay, then you can check up here. You don't want to put with Jim, you put, I'm going to put pet cam because it doesn't say pet cam in the original. So then you pick a background image, and then you can pick a talent image if you want. I can put my picture there, and I can put my logo there. Right. And so I've created it all. Now everything is created. There it is. There's I'm going to download this to my device, my computer, right? And we're going to hit create. There it is. Now we're going to copy the description, right? Copy description and done. So then I'm going to come over to my Facebook page, my Facebook group, go to photos, upload the photo, go over here, paste the description. Link is there. Hashtags are there. Post. Facebook is done. There's my post, right? With the link. All right. Next, I'm going to go over to, well, we want to go to Amazon, right? So we're going to go to Amazon. We're going to upload, right? Photo. We're going to tag. Now, the problem here is we got to tag. I'm going to go down and get the ASN of the product because when you post it on Amazon, where is it? There it is. ASN. Copy the ASN. Go back up here. Tag it. Hit that. Boom, boom. Paste. Hit enter. There's my deal. Okay, done. Tagged. Write a caption. Now I cut and paste it, so I got to go back to Logi, go back to content. It's right here, and I'm hiding it. But if I just scroll over here, I can go back and copy the description again with the link and everything. Right. Come back over to Amazon and write the caption. Of course, I think that's going to be way too long, and you don't need the link in the caption either because you've already tagged it. So you submit the post there. All right. So that post is submitted. Now you've done it to Facebook and Amazon. So now we're going to click over to Instagram. We're going to create an Instagram, new post. select from your computer. You've already got it there. Ba-ding, ba-doom, ba-dang. There you go. Right? Next. Okay, next, unless you want to add a filter. Right? Add the caption. We just pasted the caption, so we got that with the link, with all your tags. There you go. Share. Boom. We're done on Instagram. Okay? That's simple. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Pinterest. But before we go to Pinterest, we're going to have to go to Canva. And I'm going to upload, because Pinterest, the images aren't really good. So what I'm going to try to do this here. See, it's not good. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Right. And then I'm going to do the background. And we'll change the background. We'll try and get nice blue. Like that. That looks good enough. Let me move out of the way here. All right, so now that's going to be our Pinterest post, because the one-to-one doesn't work with it. So now we download that. There we go. Now I go over to Pinterest. Come over to Pinterest. Now I've only started uploading stuff to Pinterest. I used to upload a lot of stuff to Pinterest back, but I had stopped. But I'm going to start doing it again, because it is a good idea to do it. So you're going to create a pin, right? Now we can go back to Logi. We're going to upload the picture we just did, right? So that should be perfectly sized for there. Perfect, almost. All right. So then we're going to add the title. So we go back to Logi. We got the title right here. Copy that. Go back to Pinterest. Add the title. Right. Now, add a destination link down here, right? You can tell everybody what your pin is about. So you're going to go back to Logi and you're going to do the description. But you're not going to do the whole description, because you don't need the link. We're going to post the link separately. So we're going to just grab it from here, from the hashtags up. Go back to Pinterest. Tell everybody what your pin is about. There you go. And now you got your destination link. So you go back to Logi. Down at the bottom of here is your link. So here's the link. You're going to copy that. Copy that. Go back to Pinterest. Add your destination link right there. And publish. See your pin. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. And here's the Amazon link right there. They click that and they go there and you get your commission. So less than 10 minutes, and we posted content to Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Okay. And that was all from content that was repurposing content that you made already for your shoppable videos. Okay. And you're using Logi to do that. So you got to admit, that's pretty crazy. You get all that done in less than 10 minutes. And so now, you could take this video and you can show it to your people and get them to get into your backlog of stuff using Logi, and turn all your old content into shoppable photos and post them everywhere. Hope that increases your commissions tenfold. Well, if you learned anything, of course, like the video. And of course, as always, subscribe to the channel. We go through a lot of Amazon influencer information and tactics and processes and way to do things. So come on down. And of course, as always, you can join the Volley if you want to come in and talk to me on Volley. Check the link down there. Volley is an asynchronous platform where we can have ongoing conversations back and forth with text, video, and audio. Pretty cool. And you can upload videos and links and all kinds of stuff. Pretty great app. Check out the Volley. Oh, and the next video that's popping up here, Amazon thinks that's the video you should be watching next. So you should be checking that out right now, and hopefully you'll learn something.